I'm from Lebanon. First of all, because my mother is Russian, so it's my second country, and I think it's interesting to discover the culture, and I think Russia has a lot to offer. So I also like architecture here, and the country has a history, and I think it's important for architecture studies. I think I like particularly İsa'ki sabor. When I was young, I used to watch Russian films for kids. They're called multики, and my favorite one is Маша и Медведь или Winnie-Pooh. I'd like to be an architect because for many reasons. First of all, because I think architecture is an art for everybody, and what I like most about it is that the architect has a word. Has his word to say in other people's lives, because architecture is not only about buildings, and it's mostly about how a person feels in a certain building an architect builds. So I think it's the relationship between the architect and the people who live in his buildings is important.